It's a new year and a new me. Just kidding. God bless America. 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport, and this thing is a POS, piece of sexiness. And for 1972, the Sport replaced the GT as the top trim. A 302 two-barrel would have been standard with 140 horsepower, but you still could get the 429, though it was only rated 205 horsepower. From 429 cubes. Luckily, this one's got the 351 trouser snake. And I don't know anything that excites a Ford guy more than a good trouser snake, which compression ratio was only 8.6 to 1, but it still managed 248 net horsepower, 299 net pound-feet of torque. Impressive? I'll let you decide on that. At least inside, you'll find a 4-speed manual. And out back, this one's got a fairly aggressive set of 410 gears. And the weight is impressive. Oh, I don't mean this car is lightweight. It's actually the opposite. This thing, when the driver was sitting in it, weighed in at
4,380 pounds!
What the fuck? So when Car and Driver tested one of these cars with 350 rear gears, it ran 0 to 60 in only 6.8 seconds. That's pretty impressive. And they say the old trouser snake had to go faster than 6.9 because otherwise it was blowing a nut. I got you. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette. If you thought the trouser snake was anemic, oh, you haven't seen anything yet. Compression ratio for 1975, it was 8.5 to 1. That 350 V8 was making a whopping 165 horsepower. Was torque any better? No, 255. Now, I'm glad the owner brought out this car. I think it's good looking, but what's even more interesting is that this truly is just an everyday Corvette from 1975. Someone bought this car off the lot because they just wanted a Corvette and they did not care about performance. Let me explain. This one has a 3-speed automatic, 308 rear gears, and this thing with the driver in it weighed 3,940 pounds. That's with a small block, making 165 horsepower. So I'm very interested to see what it's gonna do on the drag strip. Let's check it out. In the first round, the Corvette had a better ET, but the Torino had a much better reaction time, and they were able to cross the finish line first, taking home the win. If you're never sure, always look for the victory light, especially before you comment something stupid. Let's check out that second round.
Is the owner of this car. It's also a 351 Cobra jet car. He's going against Lawrence Rosendahl. Laura Rosendahl is from New Franken, Wisconsin.
In the second round, it looks like the Torino might have missed a shift. Wah, wah. It happens. So the Corvette takes home the win, running 1628 at 86.09 miles per hour with this tied up 1-all. Let's check out that final round.
1633, 83 miles per hour. 1975 Corvette driven by Laura Rosendahl. Going to get Mike Phillips. Jump off the
It was a close race in the final round, and the Torino takes home the win, running 1561 at 89.36 miles per hour. Huge thanks to the owners for bringing out these cars. They're both pretty awesome. Come on, you guys. If you're not subscribed, just do it. And make sure you hit that like button while you're at it. And of course, I'll catch you at the next one. Might be a couple months, but I mean, I'll catch you then.